Ever wondered what Bangkok looks like from above? Get ready to be amazed. We're about to take you on a journey, soaring over ancient temples, bustling markets, peaceful parks, and the lifeblood of this incredible city, the Chao Phraya River. This is Bangkok as you've never seen it before. This video is best enjoyed in 16:9 aspect ratio, so make sure you've got it full screen. Crank up the resolution, sit back, and prepare to be blown away by the energy and beauty of Thailand's capital. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more breathtaking views from around the world. Alright, we're kicking things off with a bang. No, literally, look down there. That's the Grand Palace, and for over 200 years, it was the heart and soul of the Siamese kingdom. Kings were crowned here, laws were made here, and even today, it's a place of immense cultural and spiritual significance. Look at the detail on those roofs, the way the light glints off the gold. It's a testament to the craftsmanship and dedication of the artisans who built this place. It's like stepping back in time, right? You can almost feel the history seeping through the walls. Each building, each courtyard tells a story. Stories of power, faith, and the rich cultural tapestry of Thailand. You could spend days here and still not see everything. Every corner has something unique to offer. See that temple over there, the one with the towering spire covered in shimmering mosaics? That's Wat Phra Kaew, home to the Emerald Buddha. It's a place of pilgrimage for many. It's one of the most sacred sites in all of Thailand. The Emerald Buddha is revered and holds a special place in the hearts of the Thai people. And check out the scale of this place. It's truly awe-inspiring. I mean, we're pretty high up, and you can still see how massive the palace complex is. It's like a city within a city. It's a sprawling testament to the power and artistry of the Siamese kings. Their vision and ambition are etched into every stone and every gilded surface. You know, when you're down there on the ground, surrounded by tourists and the heat, it's easy to get overwhelmed. The hustle and bustle can be intense, but from up here you can really appreciate the grandeur, the symmetry, the sheer beauty of it all. It's a different perspective that brings out the true essence of the place. We're going to swing around for another pass, get a closer look at those golden spires. The craftsmanship is mind-blowing. Each spire, each detail is a work of art. It's no wonder people travel from all over the world just to catch a glimpse of this place. It's a bucket list destination for many. Alright, I could stay here all day, but we've got a lot more to see. The city of Bangkok is brimming with history and culture. Bangkok's calling, and we've got a city to explore. Let's dive into the vibrant streets and discover what else this incredible city has to offer. And now, for something completely different. We're about to embark on a journey to one of Bangkok's most iconic landmarks, a place where history and beauty converge in the most spectacular way. This, my friends, is Wat Arun, the Temple of Dawn. It's not just a temple, it's a symbol of the city's resilience and spirit. And let me tell you, it lives up to its name. As the first light of day touches its spires, the temple seems to come alive, shimmering with an ethereal glow. Just wait till you see it bathed in the golden light of sunset. It's absolutely magical. The way the light dances on the porcelain tiles is a sight to behold. This temple dates back to the 17th century, and it's one of the most iconic landmarks in Bangkok. Its history is as rich and intricate as its design. See those towering prangs, those spires covered in colorful porcelain? Each piece tells a story, each color a chapter in the temple's long history. They're meant to represent Mount Meru, the center of the universe in Buddhist cosmology. It's a spiritual and architectural marvel. The story goes that King Taksin, the founder of the Thonburi dynasty, came upon this temple at dawn after a victorious battle. Imagine the scene, the first light of day breaking over the horizon, illuminating the temple. He was so struck by its beauty that he made it his royal temple and gave it its current name, a name that has stood the test of time. We're going to get a little closer now so you can really appreciate the intricate details. Each piece of porcelain is a testament to the craftsmanship of the artisans. Those pieces of porcelain weren't just slapped on there, you know. They were meticulously placed, each one contributing to the overall masterpiece. They were carefully placed, forming elaborate floral patterns and mythical creatures. It's like a giant three-dimensional mosaic. And check out the view from up here. It's breathtaking. You get a sense of the city's vastness and its vibrant energy. You can see the Chao Phraya River snaking its way through the city, and in the distance the skyscrapers of modern Bangkok rise up to meet the sky. It's a view that captures the essence of Bangkok. It's this incredible juxtaposition of old and new that makes Bangkok so unique. The ancient temples standing shoulder to shoulder with the gleaming towers of glass and steel. ancient temples standing shoulder to shoulder with gleaming towers of glass and steel. It's a city that's constantly evolving yet somehow manages to hold on to its rich history and traditions. It's a city that's constantly evolving yet somehow manages to hold on to its rich history and traditions. The blend of the old and the new is what makes Bangkok so captivating. The sun's starting to dip below the horizon now, casting a warm glow over the temple. This is the moment when Wat Arun truly shines. This is the moment we've been waiting for. The temple, bathed in the golden light of the setting sun, is a sight that will stay with you forever. Get ready for some serious beauty. Wat Arun at sunset is a scene of unparalleled beauty, a perfect end to our journey through this magnificent temple. Chapter 3. Chatuchak Weekend, Market, Organized Chaos from Above. Hold on to your hats, folks, because things are about to get a whole lot crazier. Welcome to Chatuchak Weekend Market, the largest outdoor market in the world. Over 35 acres, 15,000 stalls, and enough energy to power a small city. This is Bangkok at its most chaotic, its most colorful, and its most alive. From up here it looks like a giant anthill, doesn't it? A bustling hive of activity where every nook and cranny is filled with life, people swarming everywhere, a kaleidoscope of colors and sounds. It's a sensory explosion that can be overwhelming yet exhilarating. You can find literally anything here, from antiques and vintage clothing to handmade crafts and delicious street food. It's a treasure trove for the curious and the adventurous. See those rows and rows of colorful umbrellas? They create a vibrant patchwork that is as beautiful as it is functional. Each one represents a different vendor, each one with their own story to tell. Stories of dreams, hard work, and a passion for what they do. There are families who have been running their stalls here for generations, passing down their trade secrets and traditions, and young entrepreneurs just starting out, hoping to make their mark on the world. It's a melting pot of old and new, tradition and innovation. You could easily get lost in the labyrinthine alleys of Chatuchak, each turn revealing something new and unexpected. But that's part of the fun. It's an adventure waiting to unfold with every step you take. It's an adventure, a sensory overload in the best possible way. The sights, the sounds, the smells, they all come together to create an unforgettable experience. The smells of spices and grilling meat mingle with the sounds of bartering and laughter. It's a feast for the senses. We're going to do a slow flyover so you can take it all in, absorb the energy, the vibrancy, the sheer scale of it all. Look at the sheer variety of goods on display. From the mundane to the exotic, there's something here to catch everyone's eye. There's something for everyone here, no matter your budget or your taste. It's a shopper's paradise. And don't even get me started on the food. The variety and quality are simply astounding. We're talking pad thai, mango sticky rice, fresh coconut water, grilled seafood, and so much more. It's a foodie's paradise, a culinary journey you won't forget. Alright, I'm getting hungry just looking at it. The aromas are almost palpable even from up here. Let's move on before I convince the pilot to land and grab some grub. There's so much more to explore. Chapter 4. Lumpini Park, Finding Serenity in the City's Heart. Ah, a breath of fresh air. After the hustle and bustle of Chatuchak, we arrive at Lumpini Park, Bangkok's green lung. This 142-acre oasis in the heart of the city is the perfect place to escape the noise and chaos, if only for an afternoon. Look at those lush green trees, the sparkling lake, the people strolling along the pathways. It's hard to believe we're still in the middle of one of the busiest cities on earth. Lumpini Park was established in the 1920s by King Rama VI, and it's been a beloved gathering spot for locals and tourists ever since. People come here to exercise, relax, have picnics, practice Tai Chi, or just enjoy the peace and quiet. You'll often see monitor lizards lounging by the water's edge, completely unfazed by the humans going about their day. It's a reminder that even in the concrete jungle, nature finds a way. We're going to do a slow, low pass over the lake so you can really appreciate the tranquility of this place. Look at the reflections of the skyscrapers in the water, like a city floating on air. There's a sense of harmony here, a balance between the natural and the man-made. It's a reminder that even in a city as fast-paced as Bangkok, it's important to slow down, take a deep breath, and reconnect with nature. Chapter 5. Chao Phraya River, the artery of Bangkok. And now, we come to the lifeblood of Bangkok, the mighty Chao Phraya River. For centuries, this river has been the city's main artery, connecting people, goods, and cultures. It's a highway, a marketplace, a source of food, and a constant source of inspiration. From up here you can see the river snaking its way through the heart of the city, its waters reflecting the sky like a ribbon of liquid silver. Boats of all shapes and sizes ply its waters, from long-tail boats ferrying passengers to cargo ships laden with goods. Look at the traditional wooden houses built on stilts along the riverbanks. Many of these homes have been passed down through generations, and they offer a glimpse into a simpler way of life. We're going to follow the river now, tracing its path through the city. See those gleaming temples on the banks? Each one has its own story to tell, its own connection to the river. And check out those bustling markets where vendors sell everything from fresh produce to souvenirs. The Chao Phraya River is a sensory feast, a kaleidoscope of sights, sounds, and smells. As we fly over the river, you can feel the energy of the city pulsing beneath us. It's a reminder that Bangkok is a city constantly on the move, a city that never sleeps. Outrow soaring over the City of Angels. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this aerial tour of Bangkok, make sure to give us a thumbs up and share your favorite spot in the comments below. Was it the grandeur of the Grand Palace, the serenity of Lumpini Park, or the energy of the Chao Phraya River? Bangkok is a city that stays with you long after you've left. It's a place of contrasts, where ancient traditions meet modern marvels, where chaos and tranquility coexist, and where there's always something new to discover. Until next time, keep exploring.